In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shareable study guide in FigJam. Let's jump right in from an open FigJam board. We're going to use a built-in template so you don't have to start from scratch. Look toward the toolbar and click the templates icon. This opens a panel with ready-made layouts designed for different tasks. Using a template saves time and gives you a clear structure to organize topics, questions, and answers without worrying about formatting. In the search field at the top of the templates panel, type the word study. This filters the gallery to everything related to study and revision. Searching is helpful when you're not sure where a template lives, and it also ensures you pick a layout tailored to your goal rather than a generic board. From the results, click on the study guide example. You'll usually see a quick preview that hints at what's included: sections for key concepts, definitions, practice prompts, and space for sticky notes or links. This kind of scaffold is great for individual prep or group review because everyone knows where information should go and how to contribute. Now select Add Template to place it directly on your board. FigJam will drop the study guide onto the canvas at your current zoom level. Take a second to center it on screen and adjust your zoom so you can see the whole layout. At this point, you can start customizing the placeholders with your course topics, deadlines, or reference materials. Keep the structure intact: headings, subsections, and note areas, so it stays easy to skim and maintain as the content grows. When you're ready to bring others in, click the Share button in the top right corner of the window. This opens the sharing modal for your file. Think of it as the control room for collaboration. This is where you decide who can join and how they can interact. If you're coordinating a study group, it's typical to give editing access so classmates can add notes and questions in real time. If you're distributing review material to a larger audience, view access might be enough. In the invite field, type the email address of the person or people you want to collaborate with. Double-check spelling so the invite reaches the right inbox. If you're working across different accounts or a school domain, make sure the addresses you enter are the ones your collaborators use for FigJam. Finally, click Invite. Your collaborators will receive an invitation and can jump straight into the board. Once they're in, encourage everyone to follow the existing sections, add stickies with concise points, and tag items that need clarification. That's it. A clean, structured, and shareable study guide in FigJam that helps your team stay aligned and prepared.